43% of your daily actions aren't decisions at all. A 2006 Duke University study found nearly half of human behavior is pure habit. From the moment you wake up, your brain is on autopilot, so why can't you just stop? To understand why, we have to look deep within. Your brain has a specialized region called the basal ganglia. It sits buried far below the thinking part of your brain, the cortex. It's the brain's primitive center for movement and learning, and it operates largely outside of your conscious awareness. In the 1990s, MIT researchers led by Anne Gray-Beal discovered something remarkable while studying rats in a maze. At first, as the rats navigated the maze, their brain activity spiked everywhere. Their prefrontal cortex was working overtime to make decisions. But after hundreds of repetitions, something shifted. The activity in the cortex went quiet. Only the basal ganglia stayed active. The brain had successfully automated the entire maze run. This is the birth of what neuroscientists call a habit. This process is called chunking. Your brain compresses a complex sequence of actions into one single neurological package. Tying your shoes, driving to work, or reaching for your phone, these are all chunks your brain has meticulously filed away. Once a chunk is triggered, your brain stops participating in the decision-making. This saves immense energy for more complex thinking. But here's the problem. Once chunked, these patterns never truly erase. They become a permanent part of your brain's hardware. A 2005 study published in the journal Nature found that habit pathways persist in the brain even after the behavior stops. They are like physical grooves in the neural tissue. They remain, ready to reactivate with just one single trigger. This is why a single cigarette can restart a years-old addiction in a heartbeat. The pathway is still there, waiting for its cue. Dopamine makes this cycle even harder to break. Every time a habit delivers a reward, dopamine reinforces the loop. But it's not just about the pleasure of the reward itself, it's about how your brain learns to predict it. Wolfram Schultz at Cambridge showed in 1997 that dopamine actually fires before the reward, during the moment of anticipation. Your brain begins craving the habit before you even take the action. The cue itself becomes a powerful dopamine trigger. This craving is what makes bad habits feel so irresistible. Your brain anticipates the hit, making the routine feel like a necessity. So how long does it take to change? The average habit takes 66 days to form, according to a 2009 study by Philippa Lally. But for complex habits, it can take up to 254 days. Breaking one can take even longer because the old pathways never truly die. You aren't just stopping, you are trying to build a new pathway that's stronger than the old one. Understanding this loop is the first step. If that blew your mind, hit the like button right now and subscribe. We drop mind-expanding facts every single day. See you tomorrow.